Now we will sit and start writing. We will start the process now. Please understand, it is a very powerful technique to infuse awareness into your individual consciousness, means awakening your self and reduce the depth of your desire engrams, the influence, power of desire engrams over your being. It's a two-step. The first step, changing your breathing pattern, bringing your awareness to the prana sarira. Please understand, changing your breathing pattern and bringing your awareness to the prana sarira. Inhale as slowly as possible, hold as long as possible, exhale as slowly as possible, hold your lungs empty without inhaling as long as possible. Please understand this whole cycle. Inhaling as slowly as possible, holding as long as possible, exhaling as slowly as possible, holding lungs empty as long as possible. Repeat the same cycle as slowly as possible, continuously. This is the first step. The second step, sit. You see, by the time you enter into the second step, your whole awareness will be on the prana sarira. Your whole awareness will be from the, now your awareness is in the body, sthula sarira. It will move to the second layer because of the first step. That time, visualize, understand, it's a very powerful process. Throughout your life you lived having the feeling that, oh, I don't have this, I don't have this, I don't have this. Just for half an hour, live with the feeling that you have everything. Whatever is your fantasy, give life to it. Allow your mind to run as much as it can. Have your fantasy land. See that all your desires are alive. Just live them. Suddenly you will see, mind is not running behind many of your desires. It is coming back again and again only to few desires. Those few are your prarabdha. Many desires you wanted to imagine, you wanted to visualize, you wanted to fantasize, but your mind is not interested in going towards it. That is your agamya. You will see in this one session very clearly your agamya dropping. Means you yourself will feel, oh, even while you write you can see many things you don't even want to write. You don't even want to give that much attention to it. But when you are thinking, you will always be thinking, oh, this is an important thing. But when you work, suddenly you will see, when you bring awareness, suddenly many desires do not hold any influence over you. Two-step. First, changing the breathing pattern to move your energy, consciousness to the prana sarira. Second step, live all your desires. Let your body and mind go behind the desires. Always you are taught to suppress. Now I am saying just allow it. Let your body and mind go behind the desires as much as it can, it wants. You will suddenly see many of the desires are no more having any influence over you. Even if you want to visualize, you want to see, you are not feeling connected. You are not feeling attracted. Suddenly, only few desires again and again your mind will come back. Those few are your prarabdha. Many desires which you thought are very important, but when you start living, you don't feel like even thinking of them, visualizing them. They are only agamya. You will see many of your desires which you never thought are important will become alive. Many of your desires which you thought really important will never even come up in your inner space. A big shift and the clarity between the agamya and prarabdha will automatically happen. That is the power of this process. You don't need to do anything else. Simply it will happen. It will happen. Bringing awareness to the deepest layers of your being will remove many of the agamya, many of the accumulated desires. I'll guide you. I'll see that you successfully complete the process. Please stand and spread all over the hall.